In the mood for some classic ghar ka khana? Then let's make a Kadhi Pakoda in the new Philips OneChef. You heard that right. Press the power button, select air fry mode followed by veg preset. We'll preheat this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add sliced onions, salt to taste, besan, green chilies, turmeric powder, degi red chili powder, fresh dhania, crushed coriander seeds, a little water and mix well to form a thick mixture. Lightly brush with oil, shape into small pakodas and arrange neatly on the air frying rack. And cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes until crisp and golden. Once done, remove and keep aside. Now for the curd mixture. In a bowl, add curd, besan, turmeric powder, crushed green chilies, ginger, salt to taste and whisk well to form a smooth mix. Keep aside. Press the power button again, select curry mode followed by veg preset and press start. Add ghee to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add jeera, dry red chilies, methi seeds, a pinch of hing, curry leaves, ginger and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the prepared curd mix to this. And let simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until slightly thickened. And done. Or add the prepared pakodas just before serving. Serve hot with steamed rice और फिर देखिए कड़ी पकोड़े का असली मजा. Made extra special with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.